Adult definition, adult in a sentence, adult pronunciation, adult meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of adult. 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 Adult means a person or animal that is fully grown and developed. Common usages in academic writing: adult males, adult females, adult behavior, to reach adulthood. Example sentence: adult, adjective. The adult males are territorial and often fight one another to secure mates. The common academic writing variation is adulthood, noun. As humans enter adulthood, their rate of brain maturation slows considerably. Please write a sentence using adult in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use adult confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.